channel and welcome to another vlog. So in today's video guys, after a long day of walking, I'm here in front of Gare du Nord station. That one, I don't know the exact pronunciation ng Gare du Nord. Yan. So, magla-lunch ako dito sa ayan, ano pa yan? Ayan, magla-lunch ako. Ang ganda ng restaurant niya. Ang ganda-ganda. Ayan. Ganda. So, i-vlog ko tong lunch ko. Magla-lunch ako at i-vlog ko siya. Papakita ko yung loob at papakita ko kung ano yung kakainin ko, guys. Yan. So, stay tuned. Don't go. So, ayan. Mas kita na siya. Ayan. Daming tao. Ang ganda sa loob, guys. Nakapasok na ako. Lumabas ulit ako para mag-vlog. So, ayan ang kanilang menu. Mas meron dito sa labas. Ayan. Pero dito ako sa loob. Sa loob ako kakain. So, ang ganda. Oh, ang ganda. Very nice. Nice. Ayan. Very nice restaurant. So cool. So I'm gonna sit here. This is my table. Ay, grabe oh. Grabe, sunburn ako sa kalakad. Lahat ng lakad. So, o-order na ako ng aking, ayan. Ito siya. So, off ko muna at ako'y mamimili ng kakainin ko. Gutom na ako. So, o-order ako ng Scottish salmon tartare with avocado, olives, cherry tomatoes, and french fries. Ayan. And I will have, yung dessert ko ay chocolate mousse. Ayan. Yan ang aking dessert. Yummy!
A few moments later.
So, this is my order. It's a salmon. It's the waiter said it's so good. Look, there is still right like that. And I have my chips. This one. And I don't know, a kind of bread. Like that. So this looks good. There is avocado. It's so nice and yummy. So this is butter for the bread. This is the butter. So I put butter. So, naubos ko guys. Ayan. Pero ang chips, i-takeaways ko na lang yung chips. Meron pa akong dessert. Hi, handsome. So, this is the doggy bag. They call this doggy bag because I have a leftover. Ah, okay. Yeah. Nice. Thank you so much. Mercy. Nililinis niya, guys. Oh. Wow. Wow, you're very clean. Wow. Doggy bag. Ang galing naman. Ang social naman ang doggy bag nila. Mercy! Mercy! Nice! So this is the mousse. Smell good. Yum. So, everything is finished and I already paid it. I'm full. So I'm really full. I enjoyed my food and yeah. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Keep safe, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. This place is highly recommended pag nagpunta kayo dito sa Paris. What you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?